Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to be making corn casserole. So grab those kitchen ingredients and your tools and let's make this. I hope you're hungry. My little helper Cinnamon, she has got everything out that we need for this recipe today. So let's look at the recipe. So, can of corn, got cream style corn, 1 egg, some butter, sour cream and cheese, and of course 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix, and I picked the honey Jiffy. So for this recipe, you need to drain the corn. You want to make sure that butter's melted, so I'm going to pop this in the microwave and melt it. Okay, Cinnamon, I need you to get in here and drain the corn, and I need you to crack the egg for me. Thank you. And there goes the corn, cream style corn, melted butter, 1 egg, cup of sharp cheddar cheese, a cup of sour cream, 2 boxes of Jiffy, 1, 2. Okay, Cinnamon, you looking very tired, so I think you need to go take a nap now. I appreciate you helping me in the kitchen. I got it now. Look how tired she is. She's been working in that kitchen. Oh, well, I'll let you take a nap now. Bye, Cinnamon. Love you. So we're going to mix this up. I almost got this mixed up. So the next thing you want to do is preheat the oven for 375 degrees. And we're going to spread this mixture in a baking dish. Make sure it's greased. If you don't want to have a bad time, make sure it's greased. Because if you don't grease it, you're going to have a bad time. This dish is something you make around the holidays, especially Thanksgiving. You can have it at Christmas, or you can have it any time you want. Well, that's my cue to put this casserole in the oven, and you want to bake it for 45 minutes. I'm having to bake my casserole longer than the 45 minutes. I have the square pan, and I believe the 45 minutes is supposed to be for that big rectangular pan, but I don't have room for that, so I got the square, and I think it'll be an hour and 15 minutes on my casserole. Okay, here's the corn casserole. Okay, let's try to get some of this casserole out. Ooh, steaming hot. Looks good, smells good. Yeah, I know I could have been a little less messy. There it is, it looking so good. I'm gonna have to let this cool off a while. Well, hey there. Let's try this corn casserole. Took mine an hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Let's take some of this crispy topping. you can taste both kinds of corn. The shredded cheese has got the sour cream, makes it super moist. Hey, y'all want some? You're gonna have to make it. Thank y'all for joining me, and see you later.